Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build an appointment app with Duda, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate and build an appointment app with Duda, start by logging into your Duda account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can create a new site or edit an existing one. Select the option to create a new site if you want to start fresh. Choose a template that fits the design you're aiming for, or select a blank template for complete customization. After choosing the template, head to the Widgets section in the left sidebar. In the Widgets section, find the appointment widget and drag it to your desired location on the page. Click on the appointment widget to access its settings panel. Here, you can configure essential details such as service types, durations, and prices. Next, integrate a calendar service to manage your appointments efficiently. Choose your preferred calendar service from the integration options available. Once integrated, test the calendar sync to ensure appointments are recorded correctly. Customize additional settings such as notifications and reminder emails for your clients. Adjust the design of the appointment widget to match your site's aesthetics. Preview the changes by clicking on the Preview button at the top right corner. Make any final adjustments needed based on the preview view. Once satisfied, save your changes to ensure everything is stored correctly. Finally, publish your site to make your appointment app live for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.